Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our book. The book I'll be reading from is titled Lifa and was written by T.T. Gininza and F.T. Mahlalela. Now let me say that in Siswati. Namuhla sitobe sifunza incwadi. Sihloko sale ncwadi Lifa. Babhali bencwadi T.T. Gininza na F.T. Mahlalela. If you happen to have this book, use it to read along with me. If you don't have this book, it's okay. You can read along using my book. We will be reading pages 54, 55, 56, and 57. Let's get started. On pages 54, we will be focusing on the letter Z. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Zila, zola, zofa, ziyane, zuba, zula, zuka, mabuza. Zozo wakaziyane uyazula. Lozuka wazozo. Make lamabuza uzilele zofa. Zaza ufuna kuzubela eweni. Asiphindze sifunze. Zozo wakaziyane uyazula. Lozuka wazozo. Make lamabuza uzilele zofa. Zaza ufuna kuzubela eweni. Moving on to page 55. Lizeze, lizulu, luzamu. Lizeze likululu. Liyalumana lizeze. Likuluma lizube. Uyalati yini lizulu. Zaza wati zamazama ibhasi. Asiphindze sifunze. Lizeze likululu. Liyalumana lizeze. Likuluma lizube. Uyalati yini lizulu. Zaza wati zamazama ibhasi. Moving on to page 56. On page 56 and 57, we are still focusing on the letter Z. Umuzi, imizuzu, imizaqa, imizila, lozaza, zama. Make lamabuza weluka umuzi. Zama uzuba imizuzu lemine. Zabala ubeka imizaqa yamazini. Ziyane ufuna kubona malume lozaza. Asiphindze sifunze. Make lamabuza weluka umuzi. Zama uzuba imizuzu lemine. Zabala ubeka imizaqa yamazini. Ziyane ufuna kubona malume lozaza. And finally, page 57. On page 57, we have a fun activity. Zuba zanele. In two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A will say, Zuba zanele, Zuba zanele, Zuba zanele, Zuba zanele, Zuba zanele. And Group B will say, Zuba wece umuzi, Zuba weceliwa, Zuba weceliguma, Zuba wecelitafula, Zuba imizuzu lemibili. Now let's try it together. Zuba zanele, Zuba weca umuzi, Zuba zanele, zuba weceliwa, zuba zanele, zuba weceliguma, zuba zanele, zuba wecelitafula, zuba zanele, zuba imizuzu lemibili. And then together we say, zuba zanele, nelikululu liyazuba. Alizubeli eweni, lizubela ekatini. Libuye lizubele kuzolile nazaza. Lizuba lilume, lizube libaleke. Nawe zuba yezanele.
And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.